The Snapshot feature in UGOS Pro works like taking multiple photos of your data. Each snapshot captures the state of your files at that moment. If you accidentally delete or overwrite something, you can simply select the most recent snapshot and restore everything with one click. Snapshots are useful in many situations, especially where data protection and version control matter. If you value photos and videos, taking weekly snapshots can help avoid losing cherished memories. For important work files or project drafts, you can lock snapshots to prevent accidental edits or overwrites. If something goes wrong, you can use snapshots to roll back to a safe, known good state. Snapshots only work on volume formatted with the BTRF's file system. If you're not sure which format you're using, open the Storage app to check. It's recommended to take a manual snapshot before performing major operations. Choose the folder you want to capture and click Take Snapshot. Enter a description, click Confirm, and the system will begin the process. Once complete, you can view all snapshot records on the Snapshot homepage. The Snapshot plan ensures that snapshots are taken automatically at set intervals to continuously protect your data. Select the folder you want to schedule and click Settings. Turn on Snapshot Plan and choose your timing every day, every week, or every month. We recommend every month backup to save space. Customize the date. Set the first running time. It's best to pick a time outside peak hours, such as 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Snapshots will run automatically based on your plan. You can also set a retention policy to limit how many days or versions to keep. Keeping the last 7 days or 5 snapshots is usually enough. This helps manage storage usage effectively. After confirming the settings are correct, click Confirm to apply. To restore snapshot data, click Snapshot List. On the right, select the snapshot you want to use, click Action, Restore, and follow the steps to bring the folder back to its previous state. Click Clone to make a copy of the snapshot. This creates a new shared folder in the same volume. Personal folders can't be cloned. Click Delete to remove a snapshot. To delete several at once, use Shift or Control to select multiple and delete them together. To protect key snapshots from deletion, click Action, Edit, lock this snapshot, and click Confirm to save. Locked snapshots won't be deleted automatically and can only be removed manually by the user.